Hi guys, and welcome back to My Dank Dog. This is my morning. I'm just out walking the dog. We got dumped on with snow last night. I'm on the west coast of Canada, and as you can see, it's a pretty crazy snow dump. I also woke up to a ton of messages from you guys asking me about the anniversary giveaway. Guys, that's going to be on Friday the 7th of February. So this coming Friday, just in a few days from now. Stay tuned for that. I'll be announcing it via a video and posting it along with the update to my Skywalker OG VGrow or the Medusa DWC and Coco Grow in the GrowTemp Pro kit. So yeah, not yet guys, stay tuned for that. Ignore anything else that's coming your way saying it's already been done and there's already been a winner announced. It's not true. I'll be announcing it on Friday. Stay tuned for that guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Woo, woo.